In this video I'll show you how to remove the cubby on top of the dash of your Hyundai Elantra in case it breaks and you want to replace it. So the first thing is we need to remove this bezel. Usually there's a radio there. Take a flathead screwdriver or a tool like this one and start working from the bottom. And once you unclip this side, unclip it more up and maybe you'll be able to pull it out, but if not, you'll need to go on the lower side again with your tool and unclip that clip. This way we can pull it out, don't need to disconnect anything. And to remove the cubby there's two screws. Remove them. And there will be two more screws inside the cubby. To see them, you need to remove this rubber mat that is sitting inside, and they will be right there. Here's a closer look. Alright. So take your screwdriver. These are all Phillips screws, so you just need a basic Phillips and screwdriver and pull it out. That's it. You can now replace it with a working one or do whatever you want. Thanks for watching.